This is your goal, the summit of Mount Kinabalu. In this video, I will give you valuable tips how to climb the highest mountain in Malaysia. This is our guide, Sharul, a very nice and helpful person who has climbed Kinabalu more than 200 times. You will start from Tim Pohon Gate. It's 6 kilometers from Tim Pohon to Laban Rata, which can take about 6 hours, and it's at Laban Rata where dinner is served and a cozy warm bed is waiting for you. You will need a minimum of 3 days, 2 nights to climb Kinabalu, excluding if you want to spend time seeing Kota Kinabalu. There are lots of huts or pondok for you to take a short rest. From Tim Pohon Gate to Laban Rata is tolerable, with some steep areas, but with adequate exercise, you will be fine. We took our sweet time and relaxing here and there. This is Laban Rata. You have made it to 3,270 meters above sea level. You can relax, lie on the bed, update your social media, and have your dinner here. Then you need to wake up around 1:30 AM for the summit attack. This is the most challenging part because of the weather, the wind and AMS, acute mountain sickness. But the beautiful scenery at 4,000 meters above sea level is spectacular. You can see Laban Rata from here. These rocks are the remains after the 6.0 magnitude earthquake in June 2015. The new stairs and new route due to the earthquake. You should reach Timpohon around 4 or 5 p.m. and you can collect your certificate right after. Congratulations!